this is the Ultimate Kitten here again. So I tried to do this, but then and it got ruined. So now anyways, today we are doing a game called Minecraft. Now, today we are flying an airplane. Just saying it doesn't fly, sadly, but we're pretending. Imagination can be fun. Yeah, it can. So anyways, I am a really cute orange tabby cat, by the way. Just saying. So there I zoomed in a little. So by the way, there's gonna be 2 parts. So I can't really do it anymore because it's getting kind of boring. So now, bye!